I am gonna be.
Hey guys, so this is the first video of 2018 and I'm filming it with my little brother. What's your name?
Sebastian.
My little brother Sebastian. How old are you?
5.
So today we're going to be doing a sibling tag. A lot of you guys have seen Sebastian on my Snapchat videos. He's like super funny and he's super hyper and he's getting so shy.
Come on.
And yeah, this is Sebastian. Today we're going to be answering some questions. So Sebastian, what do you think about me doing YouTube?
I think it looks really good to you for doing like makeup videos. Like it's really good for you.
How is it good for me?
That everybody can see you doing videos and like pictures and all that stuff.
Did you think I was weird whenever you first saw my video on your tablet?
No, not that bad. It was actually really good because you actually showed the people what you have in your hand and you put it on your face, and then your video was really good to me, and yeah.
Thank you. Who's your favorite? I have another sister named Andrea and she's 20, so she's the oldest. Then it's me, then it's Sebastian. Who's your favorite sister?
Well, yeah, I'll say both because they're all nice.
How am I nice?
Because you just ask me something and I say yes and we have fun together. And Andrea, that she always takes me to places really cool, and you take me to Walmart all the time when I tell you if I can go with you.
Do you think I'm mean to you?
Not that bad, but yeah, you're kind of nice. Yeah, you're nice.
What's the worst thing I've ever done to you?
Like, say a bad one when I was 4.
Oh, you remember that?
Yes. when I was knocking on your door and singing the Frozen song.
And I said a bad word to you?
Yeah.
What did you say?
What?
What did you say?
You want to be a snowman.
He came and knocked on my door and he said, "Do you want to build a snowman?" And I said, "Fuck off," and he still cannot get over that. Ay, pobrecito. What's your favorite song?
My favorite song is Watch Me Whip.
How does it go?
Oh, why do I have to tell you?
Yeah. Some people don't know what song that is.
All of them do.
No, they don't. Leave that. How does it go?
Watch me whip. Now watch me nay. Okay.
Can you dance to it?
No.
Could you please dance to it?
Watch me whip, whip, watch me nay. Watch me, watch me. Okay, okay. Watch me, watch me. Stank, do the stanky leg. 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 Watch me whip, whip, watch me nay.
Can you sing?
Yes.
Can you sing us a song?
I'll try.
Okay.
Can I play with something?
You want to play a song on your guitar or your piano?
Piano.
Okay, bring it. Okay, play a song.
Let's see. I'm thinking you hear the song.
Wow, that was so good. That is like such talent. I can't even handle. Do you say bad words?
No.
You don't?
No.
Yeah, you do.
No, when?
The other day you said a bad word.
When?
What's the worst bad word, you know?
I don't want to tell it because now you're going to tell me wrong.
No, I won't. What's the worst bad word, you know?
Starts with a B.
Well, a lot of words start with a B.
Just say it.
I don't know what word you're talking about.
Beaver is bitch.
Mom!
No,
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Sebastian didn't say anything. He didn't say anything. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I didn't want to say it. Baby.
It's okay. It's okay. No, it didn't record. It's not recording. Come here. Sebastian's like Jimmy's face. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. You will be all right.
It's not funny.
Yeah, it is because you look all mad.
No.
Yeah, you
I
are.
will kick you again like I did last time.
Sebastian kicks girls.
No, I don't. Only you, because you be rude.
I'm a girl.
You'll be rude still.
You can't kick girls just because they're rude.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
You want me to kick you?
Yeah.
Okay.
That is a hurt.
You are so annoying.
Just do the video.
Okay. Sebastian, do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Why not?
Guys.
Why not?
Guys.
Have you ever kissed a girl?
No.
Do you like anybody? Do you have a girl crush?
What the heck is girl?
Do you have a crush on someone?
No.
Really? Because the other day, Sebastian was watching The Little Rascals. You know that little girl that is like...
Okay, I was kidding.
What?
I was kidding. No.
You know that girl that is like... What's his name? Alfalfa's girlfriend? Sebastian said that he was in love with her.
No, I was just kidding. Stop saying it.
Okay.
Okay, restart that. I don't care.
So that was today's video. It didn't go as planned, but I hope you guys got to meet my little brother a little better.